Hey guys, welcome back to Ford Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Ford Mechanics. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the air filter. We're talking about engine air filter on Ford Fiesta MK7. This one is an ST right here, guys. Okay, but it could be almost the same procedure for non-ST models as well, because most of them share identical parts. Okay, so you open the hood, guys. This car has only 11,000 miles. It looks terribly dirty right now. You can see. Okay, and this is the box for the air filter. It's located, okay, right here. So, in order, guys, to remove the air filter, we're going to disconnect the intake hose with a flathead screwdriver. Okay. We'll just get the clamp loose, like that. Okay, we need to disconnect our sensor. You need to pull the red thing back, push down, okay, and pull the sensor out. Okay, like that. Next, you can see there is a few screws with a little Torx bit. Okay, and in our case, I'm going to see which one is that one, and I'll let you know. T20. Okay, you can see it's right here, Torx 20. Okay, so you just loosen those. I don't think you need to remove them even all the way. You see they'll stop towards the end. Okay, and we have one more, so four screws that we need to do. One is a little bit hidden in the corner, okay, right there. So what we are going to do, okay, we will you can disconnect the hose, or you can try it like that. Okay, you can see in our case we could reach it, so we didn't need to worry about that. Be very careful not to break that vacuum line right here, because that's plastic. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. Okay, perfect. Just like that. We're going to pull, okay, the box up, and now we can actually go ahead and pull the cap out. Okay, like that. You can see. Okay, and this is the filter, guys. That little air filter right here. So let's see how bad that thing is now. Okay, that's a factory filter right here. Let's see if we'll get something out of it. Not very dirty at all. 11,000 miles. Looks pretty good inside. You can vacuum them, but usually it's recommended to replace them. What we do, usually we replace them every 2 to 3 oil changes, depending on the climate and where you live as well. Alright guys, so we are ready to install our filter now. We will replace the next oil change. Doesn't look bad, inspected it. Okay, and you're going to install the cover, okay, with the hose. You have to be very careful not to break anything. Next, you need to go ahead and tighten the screws. Okay, remember, all 4 of them. Okay, and the one that's towards the back, that's a little bit hard to get to. Always get that one too. Never ever leave any screws loose, because if you do, there will be a gap between the lid and the air filter, and you might suck dirt in the engine, which could be really bad. Okay, and at the end, not to forget ever, you have to connect the wire for the mass airflow sensor. Until it clicks in, push the red thing. That's the whole video, guys. The only thing that we have left is get that hose tight right there. Okay, because if you don't, you suck dirty air again. You have vacuum leak and the car might not even run. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.